guys, this is Ray here with you today. Today we are creating this beautiful fluttering purple look right here. So if you are interested how did I create this beauty here, and if you wonder which products I've tried today, so watch this video till the very end. Now, without any further ado, let's rock this look. I've decided to have some fun and play with some foundation today, the new one. So it's new for me, I haven't tested that one yet. That is exciting. And I've decided to create more detailed eye look in purples, as you already know. So I will start with priming my eyes with primer. So I've tested a few primers and I didn't find as good one as this one yet. So let's go to the trusted one. For the lightest shade, I will go for NYX's Love You So Mochi palette, the lightest shade in here, and I will apply it with my favorite Sonia Kashuk Universal eyeshadow brush. I would say that this is a beautiful white with a very slight pinkish undertone, really nice color. Right now, I'm switching the brush to my IT Cosmetics blending brush. Number is 105. I'm taking this shade right here to make a slight transition, and I will put it under my brow. I've just noticed that I have a lot of NYX products today for eyes. So I will switch to my NYX Ultimates palette, the Brights, and I'm gonna grab this beautiful pink shade right here. Oh, and the brush I'm doing it with is Sonia Kashuk 273 brush. That is a pigment. Oh my goodness. I'm barely touching. Right next to this beautiful pink shade, I found a pinkish purple, which will be our next color. I'm going back to my Sonia Kashuk Universal Eyeshadow brush and to the lightest shade of the Love You So Mochi palette by NYX, and I'm clearing out this lightest zone, just making it bigger a little bit, and to getting the color back. Basically, I want it bright and the bigger area. To make our look more fresh and charming, I would add some Stila Shimmer and Glow in shade Cloud. I will put little dot in the center of each eye and blend it with my Universal Eyeshadow brush. And going back to the dark purple, I will just blend it with the shimmer. Like I want to add some little light shade inside of the eye, and I will slightly blend it in the inner corner. So for the foundation today, I've decided to play with LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. I know that they're out with the matte foundation, but it's not out in the store just yet, so I've decided to play with this one anyway. So, and I basically heard that the matte one is the same thing, but the finish is different. The only disappointing thing right away was the shade. I mean, it is so dark for me already. I mean, you can tell it. But the good thing is they have this white liquid foundation, which is the brightener, and we can mix them together. So I have all my tools ready, the tray, blender, and the brush. So right now we'll go for one pump each. I will use one pump of the Fair. Is it there? Hello? Will it take me like forever? Oh! It's out! Whoa. Okay, it's very liquidy, so I got 4 pumps and they're tiny. Okay, let me do 3 pumps of the white one. Let's see from here. If it's not enough, we'll just add some more. Let's try to go with this one. Okay, I will set my face with just Urban Decay All-Nighter. So I've used the Urban Decay All-Nighter on purpose as my primer because I do not want to give this foundation a hard time. I want to be very fair to it. Let's try to see how it works without any oils or something. If it works well, we will keep doing experiments. So let's start playing. Let's just apply it on and see how it performs. Yeah, maybe it's not the perfect shade for me, but the coverage is there. It is a good one. Let me clean my hair quickly. I just hate when it gets all over my hair. Okay, let's blend it. Let's pat it into the skin and smooth it out. So the first thing I like about this one is the way it sits on skin. It gives such a beautiful, healthy look. The second thing I like is that it is not showing any mimic lines or any texture. So I've been smiling and moving my face and it didn't stop anywhere. The third thing about this foundation, not particularly I like it, but it's okay about it, is the scent of it. It has very slight scent, but it's absolutely okay even with me. The fourth thing I don't really like, but I think of it as an option, is that it doesn't have my shade. I have to mix shade for that one, but I love that I have an option to do it. So it's not like it's not there. Today for the concealer, I will use my CoverGirl concealer with a brush. It is a good concealer. I've tested it and I liked it. I want to see how it will blend with the foundation. Let's do some baking. For now, I'm getting my MAC 116 brush and MAC set powder. I've been trying to avoid using my NYX Wonder Stick palette for a contour, but I can't do anything about it. It is so good, so I'm reaching for it again and again and again. And I've tried their powder contour. I didn't like it. I don't want to say those loud words like terrible, awful, hated, but it wasn't good at all. This one, it's my holy grail. It is so amazingly good. The shade is perfect. You see how much left? I'm almost gone, so I need to restock for this one. And of course, I want to see how it works with this new foundation, because I think they're gonna blend very well. for the same NYX Ultimate Brights palette, I am going for my Morphe 507 blending brush, a mini blender, and I'm gonna get to the darkest violet in the palette, and I will pull it toward my lower lash line. I'm switching to this dusty pink here. For the inner corner, we'll go for this light lavender color right here. And on top of that one, I will add the lightest shade from NYX Love You So Mochi palette. I will do my brows and add some lashes really quickly off camera and be right back. What is left is a little bit of blushes, highlighter, and lipstick. For blushes, I'm using a matte cubic blush and I'm applying it with It Cosmetics 227 blush brush. With the highlighter, I've decided to go really crazy today. I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution Starlight highlighter with a dropper. I'm gonna drop it in a tray and apply it with a beauty sponge. So my quick thoughts on this highlighter. The specs in it are blinding, they're amazing, and the color is so beautiful. However, the very texture and the very product is patchy, so it's not willing to cooperate, it's not willing to blend on my skin. I've been expecting it to smooth on like butter, but it's not doing that. Those little specks, they like stick together and they get stuck on your skin, and I mean, it's a real disaster. I've been trying to blend it for a good few minutes, and it's not something I've been expecting to. But the shimmer and the glow is beautiful. So I don't think I will reach for it. Maybe I will mix it into a foundation. That'll be a good way to use it. Not on its own. For the lips, I'm gonna use my Lancome lipstick. It is Color Fever. It is this beautiful pinky purpley undertone nude. So the color is absolutely stunning. Let me quickly spray everything with Urban Decay All Nighter once again. How great we have highlighters today, because at the Elizabeth's England, ladies used to apply the egg whites all over their faces to have a glazed look and to look more radiant and healthy skin. Thanks to the progress. You know what I'm talking about. Here we are, guys, at the end of the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I had a lot of fun testing new products today, the good ones and not so good. But it was definitely very, very interesting. If you like this look today, put the thumbs up and leave the comments down below. I really love to read those. Subscribe to my channel, don't forget to do that. I'm wishing you the best of the days and love you all, of course. For now, mwah.